The added member or agent will only be able to access the eCARE system after activating themselves via the link they are going to receive on email. At this point, the member is authorized to activate or deactivate users with the active status. However, the member is not authorized to deactivate their own account. To access the eCARE self-service portal, the member must enter the email, password, and click the Sign In button. Click the Manage Users option at the top of the screen or the Self-Service Access tab. Take note that only an active status can be deactivated. The pending status means that the user has not yet activated their access, and in that instance, you can resend the email so that the user can activate access. Click the Contact Details icon to display and edit the user contact details. Click the Edit icon to amend the contact details. Click the Close icon to exit the pop-up screen. Click the Edit icon to deactivate an active user. Click the Status drop-down button to display a list of options and select the Deactivated option. Click the correction mark to save. Take note of the message stating that the user has been updated successfully. To activate the user, click the Edit icon. Click the Status drop-down button to display a list of options and select the Active option to activate the user. Click the Close icon to exit the pop-up screen. Take note that the user status is now active. Click the vertical scroll-down bar to move down the screen. Click the horizontal right arrow to display the next page. Click the vertical scroll-down bar to move down the screen. Click the Edit icon to continue. Take note that a user that is logged in cannot edit their own profile. Click the Close icon to exit the pop-up. Click the Logout option to exit the screen. Congratulations! You have successfully activated and deactivated a user.